Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If the audio sounds weird, it's because my lavalier mic is pinned in the most weirdest place because I don't know where to put it because I haven't got an appropriate place to place it. Today I'm thinking of doing like a underpainting makeup because I feel like everyone's kind of moved on from it and I still very much dig it. So that's what we're going to do today. So to start, I'm going to use my by ELLIE brow. Let's bring my mirror closer because I can't see. Just to sort these brows out because they don't know how to stay in place. And if you have brows that move around a lot, this brow pomade or brow texture, I call it, is really, really good. Like it really sticks your brows down. And like last time, my previous video, I did my brows last, but this time I'm doing the brow gel part first, using my Origins eye cream just to hydrate the skin. I always end up getting eye cream in my eye. I don't know if it's just me. So this weekend I'm going to All Points East. All Points East? Is that what it's called? I don't even know. I'm only going because I really want to see KYLIE. And then I found out that Victoria Monet is performing and Thames and like Steve Lacy, I think. Is it Steve Lacy? I think so. He's performing. But either way, it's going to be a great weekend. I hope so. Sculpted by AIMEE Cloud Cream. I love this. It's made with ceramide as well. So it really just nourishes the skin. Drink break. I hope the audio sounds okay. I'm sure it does. I'm so sorry. My hair is a mess. It's been raining all day in Manchester. It's just not it. I've been out and about. I got caught in the rain. I'm just like, what is with this weather? Taking my curve case by Made by Mitchell. Love it. I'm going to go for the shade Chocolate Charm and Shade and Laid. They are my two favorite shades. Chocolate Charm obviously is my ride or die. Using this KYLIE Cosmetics brush. Oh, I just forgot. Almost forgot my primer. I'm using the REFY Blur Primer. Nice and cooling. Just feels nice and like relaxing on the skin. And I'm concentrating this in the center of my face. I'm going to write this down. I'm going to focus on placements first. I will blend it all out. I just love underpainting because it means you don't have to wear a full face of makeup. Your makeup is pretty much already done. Take a shade and laid under my chin. My brush from Patrick Tar. This is Full Face 3. It's honestly an amazing brush. You can use it for anything. And it just blends your makeup beautifully. There's too much stuff on my table. Oh my god, it's driving me nuts. I feel like sensory overload. By the way, on my lips, I'm wearing the MUA's HYDRA Peptide Lip Oil in Berry Bliss. It's a stunning colour. Sometimes I just feel like I need more bronzer. So I'm actually not going to underpaint with blush. I'm just avoiding that step today. I just feel like it's completely unnecessary. I'm going to take my old school NARS NARS Pot Concealer in Chestnut. Medium dark 2.5. But I'm just using this, the highlight shade. So you see like where there's natural highlight points on my face, you can see it actually in this camera. Just here, this is where you should highlight the powders and everything. It just looks so good. I know I look crazy. Okay, I'm fully aware. Now I'm going to take my KYLIE Cosmetics Skin Tint in 9W. I love this skin tint so much. Just looks gorgeous on the skin. Literally patting that into my skin. And how gorgeous is this skin tint, by the way? Doesn't it just sit beautifully on the skin? Like, you can literally apply this with your hands if you wanted to. Honestly, some of the blending takes so long, but it's so worth it. So just need to apply some more concealer under my eyes because obviously your girl has dark under eye circles and she hates color correcting. So I'm going to use the KYLIE Cosmetics Concealer in 9.5W. Again, love this concealer, can't go wrong. I'm going to use the same brush. I'm just going to clean it off. The urge to make my under eye really bright is so strong, but I'm not doing that today. Okay, I always do that. We're doing something different. I'm so tired, guys. Like, I'm not even tired. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. And then we have to go down south today as well. I'm just tired. You know when you just don't want to be doing something, but you have to be doing something? Like, I'm excited to go to the festival, but I just know I'm going to be too tired for it. Kitchen doesn't start till like 10:50. I'm just like, what about us people who like to be in bed early? What about us? Huh. But I'm using the Hourglass Translucent Tan just to set under my eyes. I know I've not put any blush on. I look really flat right now. And again, it took me so long to try this powder. I didn't realise how amazing it is. And it's honestly stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. I really love these. Punchy. My cute little straw. So I'm going to go for the Hourglass Liquid Blush in Vision. I really love these. They're cute. I honestly saw people posting about them. Didn't really think much of them, but honestly they're really nice. And it's like you press it at the back to get the colour out, which is so cool. I'm using this brush from Hourglass. It's cute. Oh, I always forget how pigmented these are. They're honestly beautiful. And yeah, I find you can apply them on top of powder, so I'm not mad at it at all. And if you know me already, I love blush. I have blush blindness, or whatever they call it nowadays. That is really cute. So I'm going to do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. Brows are somewhat done. As I always say, I come back to them. I'm using my Iconic London bronzer in Warm Deep Bronze. Yeah, I finally learned the name of this bronzer. And I love this because it's just a subtle bronze. I said this last time. One day I'll do a more complex look for you guys, but honestly, I just like it kind of simple. I know that sounds bad, but it's literally my favourite type of makeup look. And my makeup hack for under eye. Just close your eyes. So to highlight my under eye a little bit, I'm just taking this pressed powder from HMB Cosmetics. It's in the shade Tan. So just going to spray my face with the MILANI Make It Last spray. Just to melt all those products together. To use this blush from KOSAS in Adrenaline. It's honestly the cutest pinky shade. So pigmented. I like, when I first used it, I was like, oh yeah, you know, whatever. It is so pigmented. The smallest amount goes very far. And I was so shocked. Time for lashes. My Lancome Idole Lash. Love this mascara so much. It's like my ride or die. It just, I love like a plastic wand. I just feel like it just coats my lashes beautifully. And that's this eye. See the difference? It's honestly amazing. Just added my beauty marks off camera and the rest of my mascara. I'm going to have to curl them again once they are dry because my lashes are straight, very straight. I'm going to use my Doll Beauty lip liner in KILLIN. I'm going to use this Fat Oil Slick Click in the clear shade. Main Character. I've never tried this one before. Just thought it looks really good. Oh, it's like pearlescent. I was not expecting this. I was not expecting the shade. I'm like taken aback. Fully did not expect the shade. But I mean, hey, I am rocking with it either way. I think I just want to throw a bit of this one, Berry Bliss, on top. Okay, and I'm back. I have just taken my little hair clip out, curled my lashes again, and yeah, brushed my hair. But this is the end of the makeup. What do you guys think? It's just something really cute and simple. I know, cute and simple. This is literally that's like my go-to word. That's like my thing, cute and simple. I just don't want to do anything extra. I like it basic. Maybe add a little wing liner if you want to make this a bit extra. But me, I like it like this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. So I'm really flat today. I'm just very, very tired today. I've got a long weekend ahead of me. But I appreciate you guys watching anyway. And I'll see you next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.